A certain amount of money at compound interest grows to rupees 66,550 in 3 years and rupees 73,205 in 4 years. The rate percent per annum is. Now, whenever you are given the amounts after 2 consecutive years, so here it is after 3 years and 4 years, we can use the general concept, that is the difference between the two amounts divided by the earlier amount into 100. This will always give you your rate of interest. Remember, this is applicable when the years are consecutive. So if this had been 7 and 8, it would still work. But it won't work if it is 7 and 9, for example. Okay? Now, let's first find out the difference between the two amounts. So we have here 73,205 minus 66,550. So the difference here is 5, 5, 6, and 6. So the difference is 6655. So we can easily do it now. 6655 upon 66550 into 100. So 10 gets cancelled out. Here it is 6655. It gets cancelled out. So the rate comes out as 10% per annum. So the answer is option A.